We had very interesting discussions on a range of issues. I think we started with the bilateral relationship between Austria and Timor-Leste. For many years we are let's say, working together. Austria, as a member country of the European Union, is very supportive of many of the accession processes which are ongoing. Very supportive of Timor-Leste acceding to the WTO, very supportive of Timor-Leste acceding to ASEAN, and also very supportive of the accession process and the negotiations for an interim partnership agreement with the European Union. For many years, Austria and Timor-Leste have worked together very closely in multilateral fora, in Geneva on human rights, the rule of law in New York, and this very good cooperation will hopefully continue. The foreign minister briefed me on the results of a recent meeting Timor-Leste had in Malaysia, looking forward to the Malaysian chairmanship of ASEAN, and Austria would also support a rapid accession of Timor-Leste to ASEAN. So overall, it was a very informative and good meeting, and the minister and I agreed that at my next visit here in Dili we will continue this discussion. So it was a broad range of issues, bilateral and multilateral, which we discussed. And my hope is that the relationship between Timor-Leste and Austria will get stronger, and that we will find some concrete projects we can implement together when it comes to cooperation in various sectors, cooperation in the health sector, cooperation also on trade and commerce. So I thank the Minister for this very informative meeting. Thank you very much. Thank you.